Now for something completely different. I was reading the comments about the methyl hydrate and somebody said, does it work with diesel? That's a good question, isn't it? So I replied and I said, well, I'll give it a go when I get some jam jars. Now, this is a problem because we don't eat any jam. In fact, me and Deborah don't eat hardly anything now because we're on a diet, trying to lose a few pounds. So no jam. But we do have quite a few of these wine bottles. These are zero sugar wine bottles. It's only 8%, it's not too bad. It's drinkable. But I wanted to make some bottles out of these, you know, some containers. I thought, oh, well, we're not going to buy any, are we? So, how are we going to cut them? Well, you can probably see there, I've already put a mark in with my glass cutter. Now, these are really good glass cutters because these have got oil in them, so it guides it round so you get a nice cut. So how do you get a nice parallel cut? You need tape. Tape, go like that, score around it, Bob's your uncle. Now, I'm not having a seance, so don't worry about that, but this is part of the thing. Now, I haven't done this before, this is the first time, so I thought I'd film it and show myself up. But apparently, what we need is a candle. This is a bucket of very cold water. So let's move this across here a bit more. So we can get the full action when I make a fool of myself. The idea is we're going to use it to stress crack this bottle. So we're going to heat the crack up with the candle and then quench it in this cold water. And hopefully it'll break. Now I haven't done this before, so let's have a go. The candle's not very big. And I don't... Oh, look at all that muck coming off there. Didn't show that in the bloody video, did it? Soot. Must be these old waxy candles. Good for nothing. Oh, it's getting there. Shall we try it? Note. I think there's something wrong with my heating system. That candle's good for nothing. I daren't do it with a torch. Or should I? It's not a very big flame, is it? Alrighty. Let's see how it goes. This isn't going to work. Oh, hey, it did! Oh, look at that, my lads! Hey, first time. Well, that was brilliant, wasn't it? Oh, well. God help us, you don't want to be in a rush, eh? You don't be gagging for a pint. Come on, mate, get the bloody glasses out. I can see that's going to go. No, I'm not. I can see bits. I think I might do another one with a blowtorch. This is painfully slow. Ta-da! So that worked. Nice cut. That's good. Having the benefits of cold water does help here. It's not as good as cut as before, but it's not for drinking out of. Yeah, it's started to crack along the sides a little bit, but I think my heat source is somewhat lacking. Anyway, for us, it does not matter. So this is going to be part 1. When I clean these bottles up, I'll come back and we'll do an experiment with the methanol. I'll have to try and get some petrol and diesel. I don't know where I'm going to get some diesel from. I've got some petrol. Anyway, we'll come back.